All right, this is finding remote ponds with my buddy Zach here. Going back here, let's go see what we see. We didn't see any no trespassing signs, so. All right, so we've located the water. Here we go.
Charlie Bravo 6.
Let's see if we can't find some access down to it. Looks like somebody's been down in there. God, that's like rough. We're gonna walk around this thing, see if we can find some access to it. All right, so I come all the way down here. I don't know, probably a half a mile, not even that. No access besides this one. You can actually get a kayak up in here. I'm gonna go to work with the old stick bait and Texas rig, see what we get. All right, there we go. I will later film what this name of this place is. I'm not really sure right now. I don't even know if we're supposed to be down here. I didn't see any no trespassing signs, but we're gonna hit this. Never been here before. First cast. What up? Nothing in the cattails. I seen a little swirl over by there. That's why I cast. Sunfish are right up there to the surface. I guess what that nibble was them. No, damn. God damn, they took the bottom half of the son of a bitch. What the hell? Got into this. There you go.
Oh yeah.
Right there, man. It was not far off the bank. Dude, he's in them fucking cattails.
Oh, little guy.
Yeah, he's not huge.
Oh, baby. You want to film it?
He's got the tiniest bit of lip flesh holding on to that son of a bitch.
Go ahead and flip it off yourself.
Son of a bitch. I'm the fish dropper, man. I ain't gonna get footage of you. Come back. All right.
Fuck you, motherfucker. Jesus. You sent the motherfucker out.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, dude. This motherfucker right here. This might be what I was waiting for. Holy crap, dude. Either he is covered in a bunch of grass or this is a monster. Oh, it's a fucking toad, bro. Holy shit. Oh my God. Look at this fucking thing. Holy shit balls, this is what we came out for, bro.
That's what I'm saying, dude.
God damn. Oh my God. Shit, get a picture, get a picture. You got my phone? Oh, just swipe it, there ain't no password. Holy fuck, I wish I had my scales, man.
Here's the fish station just caught right here.
God damn, that's why you go remote ponds. Look at this.
Take a look at it.
Look at this guy. Holy shit, man. He's a toad. Faux show.
Oh, show.
Look at this.
Let's take a look at it.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
All right, just do a picture of me next to it there. All right, I'm gonna get him back in the water. Jeez. I'm gonna guess he's 3.5. Yeah, 3.5 at least. At least, dude. Might be more. I wish I had my scale. Yeah. Fuck. What a fucking hoss he was. Woo!
Here's the fish station just caught right here.
God damn, that's why you go remote ponds. Look at this.
Let's take a look at it.
Look at this guy. Holy shit.
Oh, show. Let's take a look at it. Oh, yeah.
Let's do a picture. All right, so here we go. After that toad, he knocked that whole worm off. And we'll go with the with some kind of a green black flake pearl. I'll read the directions of it later. But I'm gonna text this rigger back up. I'm gonna go with big bait, brings big fish, and that's what happened right there. So we're gonna go with another one. Let's see if I can't pull another hoss out of there. My God, that was impressive. Second fish, at least 3.5 pounds. Small remote pond. Oh my God, there's another one, dude. Oh my fucking, it feels like a fucking horse again. I hope I'm recording. Oh yeah, dude, he's a fighting. He is fighting. Oh my gosh. Is this a catfish? What in the fuck? It's coming up. Oh my God, it's another horse. No, it's not. It's a grass. It's a pretty good sized bass with a bunch of grass. Oh, he ain't bad at all. God damn, look at all that grass out there. God damn. Fuck, he's big, dude. He's good size. He's at least 2.5 pounds. All right, there we go. Yeah, them big ones will knock your worms off. It's just young though. 2.5 pounds. Good size boy. He's got grass all over him. Man, it's fun. Dude, they are killing it right now. Remote ponds. What up? All right, here you go, big guy. Go back and get big. Coming back, I'm gonna delete. Yes. Yep. Oh my God, yeah, it's another. Either that or he's in that grass. God, he's here, like straight in my reel. Oh, KBD, $75 Harfords. Come on now. Come on, bass. Gosh. Yeah, he's stuck in some grass, man, but he still feels thick. Still feels what I expect. Come on, girl. Dang. Yeah, you're pulling through a bunch of grass, man. He may not even be that big. He's just coming through a bunch of grass.
Oh, Jesus.
I will tell you your fortune. It's like the oldest bass ever. It's like the Monopoly. It just grows on me. It's fucking cool. All right. Oh, dude. Stick bait's gone. Man, I barely hooked him right in the cheek, man. Barely got him.
You got little one.
Yeah, he's about 1.5 pounds. Pretty common. Pretty common. Number 4 right there.
Number 4.
Yeah, all right. Sweet. All right, what time is it, man? You want to get going?
Man,